Heya techs! Today we're going to be learning one of the most fundamental parts of setting up your stream, splitting your audio in OBS. This is going to be the best way, in my opinion, to make sure only the audio you want comes through your stream. First, we're going to open up our OBS. Next, in whichever scene you're using, you'll need to press the plus at the bottom to add a source and choose Application Audio Capture. From there, we'll check Create New, and the name is going to be Discord Audio. This will be for if you want your friends with you on your stream. On the next pop-up in the window drop-down, choose your Discord application. Next, we'll repeat the first step by pressing the plus and selecting Application Audio Capture. This time, we'll name it Game or Game Audio. This one, you'll have to change it every time you do a different game, but I tend to change my game visual and capture and audio capture at the same time during setup so it's not too cumbersome. Lastly, go ahead and mute your desktop audio source and then hide it from the mixer. We don't want to hang out with it anymore. And that's all. Super simple, but great for making your streaming smoother and more controlled. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.